Hey guys, today we're with
MABEL and ALANA.
and today we are playing keyboard obby.
Yay.
So the challenge is whoever is first place will get 80 Robux. Second place gets 40 Robux, and the third place gets 0 Robux.
I am gonna get 0 Robux because I'm bored. But I don't want no Robux.
Oh my god. Okay, come on guys.
Bye bye losers, have fun. I'm able to come here because I'm gonna show her.
Where are you guys?
Go, no. Go, I'm not gonna do nothing. No.
Oh, I know where they are. Let's see if I catch up.
I better show Mabel.
You made her fall. Why?
Because I wanna win. Yeah, Miracle, you almost.
Ah, I fell.
Yeah. I'm still winning. Yeah, what else?
You fell?
Yeah.
So that means Mabel's first place, I'm second, you're third.
No. Yeah.
Wait, no, that's you. So it's Mabel's first?
No, I'm first.
No, I'm third.
I'm third grade. So that's why you have a crush on Eddie.
Huh?
Eddie's your husband, right?
What?
Eddie's your husband?
Who?
Don't show me. Mabel's gonna show me. Yeah, Mabel's gonna show me because I told her back. Mabel, please don't stop it again, okay? Okay? I was first four.
So Mabel's first place. Oh,
I'm first now.
well, Mabel is third place. I'm second, and Alana's first. I wonder who's gonna win.
Definitely.
Where's Mabel?
Here's some dun, 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 dun.
Mabel, are you? Oh, I see Mabel right there.
No, I don't want to die.
You died?
No, this one is the hard level.
Oh, Alana is in third.
Second. No, I want to be third. Can you put me third? I don't know. I'm in second. I don't know. I'm second. You're second?
I'm first.
No.
I see Alana right there.
Do the video right now. Stop it. What the hell?
I wonder if I can make that, but I'm not gonna change myself.
Yeah, Miracle.
Yeah.
It's what the hell about it?
No, I fell.
It's what the hell about it? No.
No, I fell. I'm in third place.
It's freaky about
Why are you saying bad words?
My mom let me. She let me say freaky and what the hell?
Those are not bad words.
Yeah, she let me say that.
Bad words are like,
I hate this thing.
who's last place?
Me.
You fell again?
I think I'm calling some
I'm like,
dumb.
what?
I'm so dumb.
You're not dumb.
I am.
No,
My mom said I'm dumb.
no, your mom was the one who's dumb.
And my dad also called me dumb too.
Well, your daddy's dumb also. Well, I'm third place.
Damn it, go.
Yes,
You know why I didn't give you cookies in my school?
because I'm not there.
Yes, because you're a big kid now.
Yeah,
And you still doesn't go to school for no reason.
because I'm 18.
Yeah, that's why. You're always going to turn old. I don't want you to turn old.
I am not old. Your mom was the one who's old.
No, she's still young.
No, your mom's 50.
You're going to make me cry.
Why?
Because I love her.
I know you do.
You actually make me crying.
I'm lagging.
I'm first now. Nobody's here with me. No.
You fell?
I'm not first. Damn it, I
You got proof?
yeah. No!
That means I'm first then?
No, I fell again.
I wonder who's first. I see you, Mabel. I'm gonna catch up, Mabel.
I'm literally down here.
I think you said you were in the top already. I am.
No. I don't want to keep telling you.
I'm first.
Go.
So, guys, how's school?
I'm not good.
Why not?
I just told my mom is old, but she's not.
That does not make sense because my answer was how was school?
Today there was no school.
Yeah, but like before.
Worse than I thought.
What happened?
Because every time this boy likes me and I hate him.
I fell. Really?
Yes. And then the guy. And then the worst thing. And then my mom so and my mom told me to ignore Evan, the one who likes me. My mom told me ignore him, and then I ignored him.
That's good.
First,
Where are you?
I'm not going to the bottom.
I think Alana's first.
Yes, I have. I'm first. No, I died.
How did you die?
No, I fell.
Oh, so I'm first. Mabel's second and you're third.
This obby's hard.
It's an obby. Obbies are hard.
No. Helicopter. I'm sweating.
Why are you sweating?
My hands are sweating.
Your
Mine too.
your pants?
Yeah.
How is your pants sweating?
My hands.
Oh, your hands.
I hate this guy.
Wait, can I go up there? No, I'm not gonna jinx it.
Yeah, cause you're still in second.
I almost fell.
You failed?
I almost did.
Everyone, please don't need me. Who's first? Yeah, Miracle's still fourth.
Yes.
I thought I
No, I fell!
Then who's first? Mabel's first. No. Then who's first? You. Huh? You. You did? Yes. How long is this gonna? Like 11 minutes to get there. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3.
I made it to the top before till they update this game.
I'm first, right?
Yeah. I see who's on top.
Me.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, Alana is first and Mabel's second.
No. Oh, thank God I didn't fail.
G-A-Y. Yay.
P.
Ayo.
P.
Time to go pee.
P. For Winterland, yo.
T-
For apple. No! Please don't kill me, Mr.
Who fell?
Me. I'm still almost at the end.
Oh, I see you, Mabel. Do I troll Mabel?
Yes. Because I tried. No. Please don't die.
I'm waiting for Mabel to come here so I could troll her.
I was doing that too.
I love how she waits. Come on, Mabel. Come on. Are you dancing? Mabel's dancing. Come on. That's working. I'll leave you there. Oh my god, I'm just leaving her. She's over there dancing. Oh shoot, she's catching up.
Who's catching up?
Mabel,
I'm almost at the top.
I can hear her behind me. Oh, she fell. I'm second place.
I'm first.
You fell.
No.
Yeah.
Don't want to scream. You know why?
Why? Ayo.
You know what that means?
Time to
That
play.
means I love your miracle.
Oh, thank you. I love you too. No, I fell. That means Mabel's second place.
That means I'm still first.
Yeah.
No.
Where?
You Me, I'm just right here.
Oh, I see you coming.
Oh my
No, I fell! You gave me the freaking
God.
jinx.
I'm almost at the top.
Good.
That means I'm first.
If you don't fall.
No.
Oh no! Come on! Come on! No! Mabel's first!
No, I'm first.
No, like in front of me.
Ew.
No! No!
I'm in the top. I'm in the top.
I fell!
Ah, you fell. No. I'm in the top.
No, even.
Yes.
Okay, get the carpet.
I don't have Robux.
It's free.
How?
Just walk to it.
No. I fell.
Oh, that means Mabel's first place.
That was my last chance.
I keep falling. You're in second place.
But what happens? I still fall. I'm first. Yeah, Miracle, I'm first.
You first.
Yeah.
Good.
I see you there, Miracle.
You see me? Now you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
No, you for me.
Oh, I see Alana, and I fail. So you're gonna stop playing?
No. Before I finish. No, I keep falling.
Everyone keeps falling. You're not the only one.
No, I am. Oh, yeah, Miracle first.
Yeah.
Am I here?
Where? Hey! Rainbow!
No, I keep falling.
Everyone keeps falling like me right now.
I want to quit.
You want to quick?
Yeah.
You are quick. Look behind you.
No, I want to quit this game because my hands are fully full.
So you don't want to win Robux.
No, oh. It's because my hands are tired.
So you are gonna quit.
No. I'm not gonna fully quit.
Ooh, who's behind me?
Me.
Come on. I'm an evil ant. Yes, sir. I'm the alpha now. Come on. Really, Mabel? This girl is dancing.
No.
Come on.
Yes, no.
You fell?
No. Mabel always make me fail. Estela, no te amo. Wait, they don't love you like I love you.
Yeah. No, you're not. You fell.
I know. And who's first?
I am.
And me?
You're second.
Second, you be. Oh, that's
I'm scared.
So, what happens if you don't get Robux? I forgot what you say.
First place gets 80 Robux. Second place gets 40. And the third one gets none.
So I'm 40? No!
Hey, Alexa. Stop.
I failed.
It's okay.
Is Mabel in?
I do not know where Mabel's at. It looks like
I want to quit playing Roblox.
Mabel is second place and third.
And I can fail it!
It's normal.
I can fail it!
It's normal. Oh. Oh.
No, Roblox is ugly! I don't remember the video. I don't care!
That was unexpected.
I hate Roblox. You got the check right now.
She is a child. I almost fell. Guys, this is really hard. Me? I'm gonna take my time.
Quitting Roblox. I'm canceling Roblox. They're quitting.
You heard her. She's quitting Roblox.
And I'm not gonna do a video with you anymore.
Okay.
That's rude. That's not fair.
Let her, because right now she's mad. This is the first time she ever gets mad. Oh, that was close.
I already got mad like 5 times and 6 times and 75 and now 10. And 6, 7 times?
Really? 6, 7. Oh. Oh. Oh, no! No! I fell!
Yo, who's first?
I think I'm still first.
No, second.
I see Mabel.
I wanna get Robux.
Then say third place.
I wanna get zero Robux.
Then don't get third place.
Even though you're gonna still give me Robux.
You sure about it? It is a challenge. You need to get first or second.
No.
And right now I'm first. That means like 80 Robux is mine.
I mean,
You're third.
that means I'm gonna get zero Robux.
Unless Mabel falls.
But she already did fall. She told me like 2 times ago.
No, wait, was it the
Well,
time?
I keep falling, but I didn't die.
No, 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 no.
What? No, quit. He fell and I was like,
You fell?
who fell? Yes. I mean,
Did you fall? No! I fell!
no, who's first?
I am.
You fell.
Not all the way down.
It's Mabel in first or third?
Third.
I mean,
Second. You get the
So
40
sec-
Robux. No! I completely fell! No! Alana's first.
first.
You're first.
Lucky.
Damn.
Then we're far away from here. No. Zip, be quiet. I'm trying to concentrate this game.
Oh.
I'm trying to concentrate talking to the camera. I don't care. So you don't have the camera.
Okay, this is taking forever.
You're being mean. Just like my cousin say, my other cousin.
This is taking forever. I should put in a
She
timer.
used to tell me if someone pays mean to you, you better beat them up.
Yes, sir. Alright, let's gonna do this, okay? I'm gonna put
We're gonna do other games.
no. We're gonna put 10 minutes on the timer, and when the timer rings, whatever first, second, third place you are, you're gonna keep it that way. And that's gonna be the end of the video, okay? Hey Alexa,
Oh,
put 10 minutes on the timer.
10. Alexa, stop. Stop. Alexa, stop doing the timer.
I forgot you had a timer. I forgot you had one, Alana.
Remind me, Alexa. Oh, that. You forgot about that?
We have 9 minutes and 28 seconds left.
No. I failed.
It's okay, I see you, Mabel. I'm gonna catch up.
I don't want to get zero.
Then try more. Mabel could just. Oh, I fell.
I'm first. And me?
Second.
So second I get.
You were third. Now you're second. You get 40.
And you?
I get none.
You. Like you're.
Uh-oh, I fell.
Who failed?
Oh, hey, that's not fair.
Who's first, Mabel?
You first.
So how many Robux do I got?
80.
80?
Mabel's cheating. Because you jumped in front of me. So Mabel's cheating. So Mabel's canceled.
Today.
Oh, I fell.
I'm still first, right?
Mm-hmm.
No! I didn't fall all the way down. So I'm still first?
No, Mabel's first.
I'm first. No. I didn't fall all the way down.
But Mabel's already up there.
No, she's not. I didn't saw her. No, I did it. It's not true.
I'm surprised Alana didn't throw me. Because I'm right behind her.
Am I? I don't get Robux?
I'm third place. You're second. Mabel is first. You are second. I'm third.
I'm third.
Wait, what?
I'm third.
You fail?
Yes.
Okay, then Alana's first. I'm second. Mabel third.
So Mabel doesn't get Robux?
No. Unless I fall.
If they fall all the way down, that means they won't get Robux?
If you fall, if someone's like close to you and you fall, they're first place.
No! I failed.
It's okay.
So I don't get Robux?
You only have 5 minutes to catch up.
I failed. And who's first?
Me.
And me?
Second.
Second, so second you get a Robux?
Yeah. We have 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
So that means
I fail. I fail.
So who's first?
Do you see, I think it's second, Alana, because I don't see Mabel.
Mabel, are you first?
What did she say?
No. Maybe her Wi-Fi is lagging. I'm not lagging. Yes, you're on.
Mande! I'll be right back.
Okay.
Talk to the views and the subscribers. Mande.
Vloggly, vloggly, vloggly. No, no, don't fail. Don't fail. If I didn't fail. Me for papa. I'm not ready for school tomorrow. I don't want to go to school. I almost fell. No, I almost fell. Ew, that's nice. That's not nice. I don't want to go to school. Wait. Mama. I don't want to go to school. Wait.
Okay, I'm back. Who's first place? Who's second place?
I didn't fall down. I did fail, but I didn't fall down. I'm right here.
You have 2 minutes.
No. And that means no, I died. I'm not first anymore.
Let's get second place. Look, you're second.
Yay.
Let's see if I can catch up on you.
No.
1 minute
No.
and 50 seconds. I'm gonna catch up. Ah! Alana pushed me. Alana's cheating.
No. No, I don't.
You fell?
That was first.
I don't see. Oh, you? Keep it. Yes, keep it that way, Alana. You only have a minute and 13 seconds.
30 seconds of that.
Uh-huh.
Almost at the top.
You have a minute left. Uh-oh, I fell.
No. I almost fell. Me too.
40 seconds.
40?
Mm-hmm.
40.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Mama, girl behind you. Mama, a girl behind you.
20 seconds.
No.
Hi, Mabel.
No.
9, 8, 7.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stop! Nobody move. Hey, Alexa. Stop.
I'm second.
Okay.
Emmy?
Alana, you're first. Alana's first, Mabel second, and I'm third. So come all the way down.
Okay. I'm going all the way down.
I guess it's the end of the video. What do you
And
think?
I can see my grandma now.
Come down here so we can say goodbye. Oh, she's right here. Come over here. Let's go over here. Okay. Thank you guys for watching our channel. And please
Like and subscribe. The video.
and comment down below what game you want us or who do you want to play in the channel.
Cookie.
Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.